guys, this is Shanti and you're watching me on my YouTube channel, TheLeiaV. In today's video, I'm going to be bringing you a mommy-friendly makeup look, and this is the look that I came up with. I can typically come up with this look within 15 minutes or less because it's that really easy. I have some concealers underneath my eye for about a few different shades, plus a peach corrector, and I've also used a NYX Total Drop foundation all over my face, a little bit of bronzing, a little bit of highlight, lipstick, and no eyeliner this time. This is a very simple look that I usually would turn to if I need to rush out of the door. So if you're watching me in this video for the first time, then thank you so much for taking time out of your day to click on this video and even watch this video. Hi, hello, my name is Shanti. I'm from Singapore. I'm a YouTuber and blogger. I usually create content revolving around beauty product reviews, makeup tutorials, productivity tips, and digital tools. If you like what you see and you would like to see more from me, all that will be needed is 1 minute from you to click on the subscribe button right down this video. There will be a bell icon next to it. Make sure to click on it as well, just so that you'll be updated and notified whenever new videos like this go up on my channel. Without any further ado, if you want to know how to get this mommy-friendly makeup look, then please keep on watching.
I love this primer for an everyday wear. On days where I don't wear makeup, I usually have this primer on my face and just top it up with some loose powder. This primer is great for enlarged pores and the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. For an easy look, I usually like to conceal my under eye areas, and I'm taking my Rimmel London's lightweight breathable concealer and I'm going to be drawing a V underneath my eyes. To conceal and correct any under eye darkness, I'm going to be using my peach corrector just where I have a little bit of darkness showing through, and I'm going to be topping it off with the Elegant Pro Concealer just to neutralize the darkness and to look nice and bright. Using a lightweight pressure and a blending brush, I'm going to be just buffing out the colors right underneath my eyes. I've been loving using the NYX Total Drop foundation because it gives a very nice, easy finish, almost skin-like. I'm going to be setting the foundation down with some loose powder. This is the Benefits Hoola Bronzer and I'm just lightly dusting it. And of course, for a daily highlight, I'm going to be taking Fenty Beauty's Hustler Baby highlighter and sweeping it onto my upper cheekbones. I'm going to be using the same highlight, taking it with my pinky and dabbing it onto the tip of my nose. The eyes may start looking a little flat, and to add back some crease definition, I'm going to be using MAC's eyeshadow. I believe this is in the shade Brun. And I'm just slightly diffusing it across my crease with a blending brush. I have to fill in my eyebrows if I'm going to be stepping outside of my house. I'm going to be using the Innisfree Auto Eyebrow Pencil and lightly filling them in. I'm using the same Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder to clean up underneath the eyebrows and above. To look like I have some eyelashes, I'm going to be topping my upper and lower lashes with a few coats of mascara, and this does help a lot with making me look like I'm wide awake and not sleepy. For my lips, I'm going to be just outlining the lips with a darker pencil in a shade of brown. For a healthy pout, I'm going to be taking a very pale pink glossy kind of color, and I'm just going to be dabbing it lightly onto the middles of the lips. If you want to be extra, of course you can definitely go on and add some falsies and really amps up the look.
That's it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this really quick, easy, mommy-friendly makeup look. And if you did enjoy this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Then don't forget to share this on your Facebook page and share this among your family friends via WhatsApp. If you're not subscribed already, please do so. It just takes 1 second to click on the subscribe button right down here. Make sure to click on the bell icon next to it also, just so that you'll be updated and notified for more info from my channel. And I shall catch you in my next video. Bye, guys!